what's up YouTube friends and family? Thanks for watching. This is the Hightower family. I can't believe it. We're almost at 400 subscribers. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Thanks for your support. Thanks everybody. But we have another story on the line. Today is January 25th at about 8 in the morning, and we're supposed to expect to get 2 feet, almost 2 feet of snow. This is ridiculous. Look at all this snow. Look at all this. This is gonna be amazing. We're gonna go to McDonald's real quick before it gets too deep to get some food because we're gonna be snowed in here for a while. I'm gonna get the snow blower out then. We're gonna get the four-wheelers out if we can. And the side-by-side, we're gonna have a blast. But it's so cold out here. Like, this is perfect snow conditions. It's like 10 degrees out right now. It's freezing. I can't barely stay out here. It's so cold. Man, it's chilly. Yeah, this isn't good. This is gonna be real bad. This stuff is completely laying, no meltage, perfect conditions. Look at that. Let's get that car cleaned off. Man, this snow is powder. This is straight powder snow right here. Wow. This is good snow. It's not that melted, rain mix stuff. Probably think we're crazy going out to McDonald's in this, but that's the only place open, and I'm not making breakfast because I'm not doing it. I got all this snow to remove all day long, dude. Almost 2 feet of snow. I'm not cooking breakfast. I'm not cooking dinner. That's gonna be a challenge. I think we're gonna smoke on the smoker then. Pop that thing open after I dig it out. It's really coming down. Whoo, my hands are cold. Last time I felt temperatures like this, I was up in Caribou, Maine, delivering for Harley Davidson. I was delivering motorcycles, and it was negative 10 degrees, and I told him, yo dude, I'll be in the truck. Let me know when you're all ready. It was so cold, it was ridiculous. I was freezing my tail off. It was so cold up there in Caribou, Maine. Ugh. We're the only crazy sons of bees to come here. I can't hear when you're talking. 2795. 2795.
For Nikki?
Yes, ma'am.
What can I get for you?
6 sausage McMuffins.
6 sausage McMuffins.
Okay.
5 hash browns.
Okay.
A number 8 extra breakfast sauce, medium with a Coke.
Number 8 extra breakfast sauce with a Coke.
Pancakes.
Okay.
Do you want pancakes, big boy? All right, here. Can I get an order of hotcakes?
Okay.
And then, do you want a Coke?
I already ordered one with my meal.
All right.
But I want a breakfast burrito too.
What's that?
I want a breakfast burrito too.
4 breakfast burritos.
Any hot or mild sauce?
No, thank you. Actually, can you give me mild sauce, please?
Yeah.
2 medium Coke.
2 medium Cokes.
Okay.
And I think that's finally it on this blizzard day.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be 1 second. 4630. You can pull to the second window.
All right, thank you for being open.
You're welcome.
That sounds like somebody familiar.
Well, we made it. We got our McDonald's food. We're gonna go inside and eat. I'm gonna relax for a little bit, and I'm gonna come out here and start snow blowing. Man, look how deep it's getting. I'm glad my kids can experience this blizzard like we did when me and my wife were kids. 1996, we had a huge blizzard. It was like, I was over 2 feet. It was crazy. And I had the best time of my life during that blizzard. So I'm glad my kids can enjoy this nice snowfall. Maybe later we get in that hot tub while it's snowing. Man, I'm so happy. I love the snow so much. I love it. Rocky, we decided since there was a snowstorm, my wife decided to go to the local SPCA and rescue or shelter a dog for the weekend because no one's going to be there, so the dogs wouldn't be left alone. And that's Rocky. Rocky, go pee.
Even though I still have a spot for him,
Oh, that dog, they love the snow. I bet you if you let him loose, he would have a ball. Well, we're not going to let him loose because it's not our dog and we don't know if it'll run away. Man, it's really coming down. Go pee, Rocky. And she's out here in flip-flops. She's a slippers. Make some yellow snow, Rocky. Should I let Coco or Daisy out? Where's it? I got the tube out in case we go tubing. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. She's like, no way. All right, well, let's get this snowblower fired up and let's get rocking and rolling.
Are you gonna go pee? Or you wanna wait?
I won't start it till she goes in.
Alright, that's good. We'll try again.
Bye, Rocky. Bye, Rocky.
Okay.
When we get a heavy snow like this, the elderly lady next door, I help her remove her snow. Her boys come over and help her, but I help out because it's going to be way too much snow when they get over here. That was fun. I'm getting old for this, man. My hood is actually frozen. That's how cold it is out here. That's crazy. That was fun riding that four-wheeler. I want the kids to come outside today, but it's freaking cold out. Holy cow.
There's two, right?
Yeah, there's two of them. You want to try to sled down that big hill over there? It's deep, ain't it?
Yeah. It went in my shoe.
Kai, get your sled. Come on, get your sled. There you go. Woo! Sit in your sled. Sit in it. Sit in it. You gotta get out.
I can't.
What thingy?
Why I lay down and do it?
Oh, like a snow angel? Go ahead. All right, stand up so we can see your snow angel. That's a pretty cool snow angel. Oh, Kyron can't make it up the hill.
Hurry up! Make it.
I bet you're cold. Sit on your butt. Oh, are they? Okay, good.
Here, just sit down. Here. You're supposed to sit like this. Hey, sit down.
Sit on your hiney, and then you're gonna scoot down. Like Cameron. Look at Cameron. There you go. Now hold on to the sides. Whee! Yeah.
I can lick it.
Ugh. Just make sure it's clean.
Dude, this is perfect.
That was fun, wasn't it? Wasn't that fun? Heck yeah. Here, buddy, you want to flip that over? You want to go down the hill?
Yeah.
All right, come on. You having fun, Cam?
Yeah. My whole entire thing was snow.
Climb the hill, buddy. Come on. Here, let me help you. Here, buddy. There you go. Boop, boop. Sit in it. Sit in it. Sit, sit. There you sit.
Yeah.
No, here, I'll hold it for you. Oh, shoot. Here, sit in it.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sit. Sit. Sit in it so you can go down the hill.
Sure.
You want to go down the hill? Wow. It's still snowing out. It's like ice wintry mix right now. Wow. Big boy. Oh, you took your gloves off. That's not good. That's not good. You guys ready? Oh, that's not good. He took his gloves off. Come on, bud. We got to go inside. You ready to go in, Cam? All right, come on down. Here, come on, Cam. Whee! We can come back out. Grab your sled and let's go. Yeah, he took his gloves off. That's not good. Hurry up, come on. Let's walk into the house so we get warm. Yeah, it's cold. doing? Bro, you can't be out here gunning or you're gonna end up in a ditch. Kids decided to get in a hot tub while I was snow blowing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Is it hot in there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hi, do you like me?
Do you like him? You do it?
Guess what? Remember when you threw that water bottle at my face? I still remember that, bro.
Carmen, do you like him?
I don't think he likes you because he didn't get his ball, remember?
Carmen, do you like him?
I got to those fight
Carmen,
back.
stop.
Yeah, young boy. You know you're my little bro. You know I love you, right?
Yo, you want to jump out?
Bro, who won't? You won't.
Yo, when we get out, it's gonna be freezing.
Yo, tell your dad to fill that up with snow.
Yo!
Yo! Dad, come!
I'm not even doing that. I don't take you seriously.
I don't take
In
you
any
serious.
aspect of life, I don't take you seriously.
And the reverse card, bro.
Don't blow me.
I'll never be scared of you in my life.
Now, word, I'll never be scared of you in my life. Even if you,
Look, I
even if you
see
show me your
that.
Oh, y'all got my, you got my leg and your leg and my leg and my leg.
What's up?
What?
Icy? Handshake. No, you don't want to handshake me?
You wanna only
Wait, why is it more like clear now?
I'm saying, why is it clear?
Bro, I like when it was in here and it started steaming and all that. I can't see that.
The jellies. It's a jelly. I didn't know we were playing basketball, bro. Yo! Who just did that?
You did what?
That was you.
You did what?
Everyone float their... That's you!
What's going on?
You want to jump? Jump where? You want to jump in the trampoline? You want to do it? You want to do it? No, it's scary. If I do, you do it. Yes.
Bro, who said they can hold their breath longer than me?
I literally hold my breath longer than you.
I hope
Oh, nah! Yo, his butt hanging out.
This little good looking.
No, jump in there. You're mad scary.
Oh, dive in there, dive. Oh! Nice. Watch your step, it's icy. Oh, he can't get out, he's stuck. Oh my God, he can't get out, he's stuck. Forget that. Nice. That's too cold for me. I ain't doing that. Oh, and then run back. Oh, no, he's not. 10 degrees out, bro. Dive in there. Dive in. Oh! Yeah. You're gonna feel good in there.
Oh, it feels good.
I'll do it.
Oh, that actually wasn't. I think it's getting powerful though.
Bro, why you... Oh, it's cold.
Watch your step. It's cold, dude. Watch your step. Woo. The hot tub's like 100.
Dive in there.
Get in there. Get your face in there. Jeez. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. Take your time. Oh my God, he's cold. He's super cold. Nice. All right, y'all stay in there for a while. You guys ready to go sledding?
You can't get in because you're seated.
Try to shove. Try to shove. Yeah, you guys ready to go sledding?
Yeah.
Nice. Donut face.
I'm trying to beat this tower.
Oh, Caden can help you. We're gonna go to a local hill. We're gonna load up all the sleds and a tube. And we're gonna go sledding as a family. We never could, we haven't been able to do it since we had our kids and stuff because we never get enough snow. And since we got so much snow, it's perfect time. Load them up. You guys got everything? Sweet. Oh man, this smoker smells good. Mrs. Hightower has food on the grill. She's been smoking for a couple hours. Ooh, look at that. That smells amazing. Can't wait to get home. Eat some pork. Fastest.
Me.
Who?
Me.
I think Cameron's gonna do it, right? Yeah. Where's all the donuts at? I want some donuts. I want some donuts.
It's inside.
I want some of them donuts. Where are they at, buddy?
We eat all of them.
Look, you have the evidence all over your face. What are you playing, Kaden?
Nothing.
Cameron, what are you playing?
A tower.
Oh, nice.
And the code is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's all these.
Nice. Cool.
Because
all right, let's get out. Let's get out here and go sledding. Holy dude. Christmas Story all made over. Cameron looks like the dude off Christmas Story. The wind picked up. Nice. Which one are you going down on? Here, grab a sled. You want to try one of these? Try that thing.
She broke her sled yesterday.
Oh, I believe it. It's been cold.
Oh, sorry.
Kaden, what are you doing? Stay over here.
Oh, you're not gonna lose.
Hey! Whoa. What the heck? That's awesome. Whoa, dude, that's cool.
Go where he is, because you'll run into him. Go over here.
Kaden, stay over here.
Yeah, because I have
Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it, dude. Here, come up here, sit down. Sit.
There's Soraya.
Ready? That was awesome, dude. That was cool.
I was so too bad.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Here. Oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Woo! Oh. Yo, it's super icy.
I can tackle it and wouldn't break.
Here. Let's try the big tube. Oh. Kaden, give him a push. Give him a big push. Big push. Keep pushing. Oh. Oh, man. Oh.
Real far.
Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh no, oh no. Woo. Oh, that's cool. I did a push. Wow, good job. Staying me way out there. Yeah. What a beautiful evening this is. Give me 5. Look at you go. Good job. She's going far. Oh, it's gonna take me a couple minutes. Get right there. Lay the holy back. Yep, go ahead. Lean forward a little bit. Oh. Woo! There you go, dude. Nice. The old school ones are the ticket right there. That round one, he flies.
I just hope I don't hurt my finger.
There he goes. Nice. Woo! Hey, look at you. Oh my goodness. Whoa. She got air. Here, I'm gonna. Here, I'll help you out. Whoa! I got it. Nicole, come down this hill. Kater, wait. You're gonna catch air on this one. This is a big hill. Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Keep going. Woo! Really? Wow. Yeah. Oh yeah.
But right here, like if you're from this view, it looks like it's
Yeah. Hold on a second. Mommy's gonna go. If you get hurt right now, they're all gonna be like, darn it. Yeah. Just keep your feet out. There you go. You're probably gonna flip over.
I don't want to with my hand.
Oh! Nice! Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh! Wipe out! Kyrie's like, I just saw a black dot come at me. Woo! Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Woo! Are you okay? Good job, man. You need help? You alright, buddy? Come on. Come over here. It's too steep there. Oh. Oh. Okay, I got your sled. Are you gonna go? Wow, she's getting, oh my goodness. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Are you okay? She was bouncing in the air. Are you good? Yeah, this hill by next week's gonna be off. It's gonna be ice. Huh? Are they? Wow. Are you good, buddy? I'm tired. I wish Kyle was awake. We gotta come back. We gotta come back. All right, let's go, buddy. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Woohoo! Look at Kai. Bro, I dare you to take a running start from back there and just go head first. We got extra sleds. We're good.
Should I go on my knees first?
No, you're gonna end up flipping over.
Like this?
Not quite, but not quite. Yeah. Yeah, like you do at the beach, and just jump on top of it.
I go belly first.
Here, you want this one?
I just.
Yeah.
Won't that hurt?
Just don't hit it too hard. You gotta be on the. Are you alright? Yeah. Hey, why don't you try this one? It's bigger. Here, take this one.
Are you coming?
Here.
Or how about I go on the tube thing?
That's not going too well. It has to be wetter. Huh? Alright, do you want to sled or not? Here, just use that. Use that one. You gotta line it up with your belly.
Oh wait, should I like?
Yeah, just sit on it. Just go.
Should I set it down or something?
Yeah, just sit on it. Yeah, sit down and just get on it.
Or how about you push me?
All right, I will.
Like right here? Wait, I need.
Sit on it. All right, you ready?
Yeah, like this.
Do your feet up. See you later, buddy.
Oh my god.
See you later, buddy. Woo! Nice. Yeah. I knew we were only gonna be here for a certain amount of time. The wind picked up. We haven't been. Well, I was outside already. It wasn't windy by our house. It must be because we're on top of the hill.
When they do fireworks, because we just sit out here and we watch them.
Oh yeah. Nice. Are you done? You want to go one more?
Yeah.
Here. Hold on. I bet you did. Are you ready? You ready, buddy? Give me 5.
I need help.
We're gonna do this together, okay? Let's go. Let's climb this mountain. Get to the top. Get to the top, big boy. Oh. Woohoo! Ouch! She's throwing snowballs. Oh no! Oh! That was fun. Woo. Woo! That was fun. We gotta come back here. I'm tired. That was fun sled. I know you're tired. You did a big day. You're a big boy sledding. He was hitting them hills like crazy. Come on, buddy. I got your sled for you, man. You did good, man. I love you, dude. Look at that sun hitting you. That's beautiful. Nice jacket. Look here, bud. Look. Look. That's awesome. Look at the sun. I love you, buddy. Love you. Come on, get up now. We finally got home from sledding and went going out to eat, and these guys are home playing Xbox. Look at this guy. What are you, a snowboarder, dude?
No, we played a breaking lucky block.
Oh yeah?
How many dollars I got? And I have a brain rot god is better than. I have a brain rot god pickaxe is better.
Dude, he's playing with snowboarding goggles on.
I have a god. I have a god pickaxe.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you will have a mythic. Yes.
Used to our trip. I love you guys. Are your bellies full? Nice pajamas.
Yeah.
Mommy got you all warm to go sledding.
No, mine.
Well, I'll get you a pair. Hold on. I'll get you a pair.
Dear mommy.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh.
Look at you.
Can you see my eyes?
Yeah, a little bit. Not much. Go ahead, put yours on too, Kai. The other way, dude.
I see a brain rot god lucky block. I found two.
You guys are a trip.
I find two brain rot god lucky blocks. I got this was a brain rot god lucky block, and this is a brain rot god.
Okay, you want me to make them tighter?
Yes.
All right.
Green, but it's yellow.
Looking good.
This looks like it's green, but it's yellow.
Yeah, it is yellow.
But when I take it on,
Is he playing that game too? Yeah, Kai's playing with you.
He's at my base.
Is he at your base?
Yeah.
I guess.
What
Playing
is
with
this?
snowboarding goggles on, that's what they do these days. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We just like doing family fun videos. This snowstorm has been amazing to our family. We got to experience sledding, riding four-wheelers, getting in the hot tub when it was cold out and snowing, all kinds of stuff. It's been an amazing journey. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.